Our today's topic third is switch or server and the last is Bluetooth. But in this session I am going to teach you about Wi-Fi routers. A Wi-Fi router is a device that performs network, and these are mainly of three types. First one is wired, second is wireless, and third one is hybrid. Now let's see the difference between wired and wireless router. From installation point of view, a wired use the latest encryption, that is Wi-Fi protected access 2 for both private and public. Disable DHCP and instead. Strong password means a combination. Okay. Now let's talk two types of IP addresses, or we can say there are two versions of IP addresses. IP version 4 is a 32-bit network address and IP version 6 is a 120 one which is provided by your internet service provider. Deep dive in IP addresses. So that's it for this tutorial.